My name is Daniel. About 2 years ago, I left Rome and moved to Bavaria together with my family and my 3 children. It wasn't an escape. It wasn't an easy choice. It was a decision made slowly with doubts, questions, and the desire to give a different meaning to our everyday time. I work in technology, in a complex environment at BMW, but this channel was born far away from work. It was born from the need to observe, to listen, and to tell the stories that often go unnoticed. Here I describe real life in Bavaria. Small towns, quiet roads, rivers that flow slowly, cold mornings and afternoons without urgency. In these videos you will find silence, delicacy, and the gentle rhythm of life in a Bavarian village without filters and without postcards. Even though I am Italian, I've decided to develop this channel in English to reach a wider audience and share this experience beyond borders. I hope you can see the humanity and the search for peace in these videos, in the small moments and in the quiet details. If this resonates with you, feel free to subscribe and join me on this journey. This is my journey in Bavaria, made of real life, quiet moments and small details that truly matter. Thank you so much.